Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the top 5 best 4K dash cam in 2024. Today, we're delving into the elite selection of 4K dash cams that offer unparalleled clarity and performance. From the sleek designs to the cutting-edge features, these devices are not just about recording the journey. They're about enhancing your driving experience with technology at its finest, from night vision prowess to AI-integrated safety alerts. Keep watching to discover which device earns the crown and how it could redefine your time behind the wheel. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Vantrue N43 Channel 4K Dash Cam, a powerhouse in vehicle safety and monitoring. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The N4 impresses with its triple camera setup, a 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside camera, and 160 degrees rear camera. This allows simultaneous monitoring of the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle, crucial for safety and liability protection. Switching to dual mode, the front camera records in crisp 4K while the rear captures at 1080p. The flexible 360 degrees adjustable rear camera fits various vehicles, ensuring clear visibility of license plates and road signs. Ideal for rideshare drivers, the N4 records both the front and inside of the cabin in 1440p plus 1440p. The adjustable inside camera provides flexibility and detailed footage, perfect for proving activities within the vehicle. Equipped with STARVIS CMOS sensors and IR night vision, the N4 excels in low-light conditions. It automatically adjusts exposure for clear footage, making it a reliable choice for rideshare drivers working in dimly lit environments. The N4 features a 24-hour parking mode with motion detection and collision detection capabilities. Its supercapacitor ensures reliability in extreme weather conditions, from freezing cold to scorching heat, extending battery lifespan. To wrap it up, the Vantrue N43 Channel 4K Dash Cam is a robust choice for anyone serious about vehicle safety and monitoring. With its comprehensive coverage, high-resolution recording, and durability, it's a reliable witness on the road. Number 4. The Garmin 57 4K Dash Cam. This little gadget packs a punch with its discreet design and smart features that aim to keep you safe on the road. Let's see if it's worth your attention. The Garmin 57 4K Dash Cam is compact enough to blend seamlessly into your car's interior, ensuring it doesn't obstruct your view while driving. Its discreet size makes it almost unnoticeable on your windshield. Equipped with a wide 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, this dash cam records in stunning 1440p HD. Day or night, you'll capture crisp details, ensuring you don't miss a thing on the road. One of the standout features is its voice control capability, available in multiple languages. Simply speak commands to save videos, start or stop audio recordings, and even take still pictures, all without taking your hands off the wheel. The Garmin 57 4K isn't just about recording, it's also about smart connectivity. Videos can automatically upload via Wi-Fi to Garmin's secure online vault for easy viewing and sharing later on. Safety is paramount with features like Parking Guard, which alerts you to incidents around your parked car via the Garmin Drive app. It also offers driver alerts such as forward collision and lane departure warnings, promoting safer driving habits. In conclusion, the Garmin 57 4K Dash Cam impresses with its compact size, high-resolution video capture, and a range of smart features aimed at enhancing safety and convenience. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend road tripper, this dash cam is definitely worth considering to ensure peace of mind on the road. Number 3. The Kingslim D4 Dual 4K Dash Cam. If you're searching for a high-quality dash cam that offers both front and rear recording, then stick around because this one might just be for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the recording quality. The Kingslim D4 Dash Cam records in Ultra HD 4K for the front and FHD 1080p for the rear. This ensures you capture every detail from license plates to road signs with incredible clarity. The 170 90-degree front and 150-degree rear wide-angle lenses provide maximum road coverage. Next, the Kingslim D4 offers smart connectivity with its built-in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect it to the Kingslim app on your smartphone, available for both Android and iOS. This feature allows you to play back, download videos, and adjust settings directly from your phone. It's user-friendly and convenient. Another fantastic feature is the built-in GPS module. This automatically records and saves your route and driving speed in the video footage. For optimal GPS signal, it's best to activate this feature in open areas. This can be incredibly useful for reviewing your trips and ensuring accurate data logging. When it comes to night driving, the Kingslim D4 excels. It utilizes the Sony STAR-VIS sensor and high-silicon processor, combined with an f1.8 aperture and WDR technology. This means you get sharp and clear images even in low-light conditions, capturing stunning details no matter the time of day. Lastly, the Kingslim D4 includes essential safety features like G-sensor and parking monitoring. The G-sensor activates recording upon detecting impact or vibration, while the parking monitor switches to recording mode if your car is shaken. Plus, the loop recording feature ensures continuous recording, automatically overwriting old files. So, there you have it. The Kingslim D4 Dual 4K Dash Cam offers impressive features, from high-quality recording and smart app control to reliable emergency features. Number 2. The Cobra South Carolina 400 4K Dash Cam. This little device packs a punch with its ultra-high-definition video and a slew of smart features. Let's take a closer look and see what makes this dash cam a must-have for your car. First up, let's talk about the stunning Ultra HD 4K resolution. This dash cam captures 4 times the pixel resolution of 1080p, meaning you'll see every detail clearly. Whether it's a scenic drive or a potential incident, the South Carolina 400 ensures you won't miss a thing. Next, the Cobra South Carolina 400 comes with Alexa built right in. Imagine playing your favorite tunes, getting navigation assistance, or finding the nearest gas station, all hands-free. Alexa is there to help, making your drive smoother and safer. It's like having a personal assistant in your car. The South Carolina 400 is also 3-view capable. You can add on optional rear-facing and cabin view cameras to record what's happening all around your vehicle. This feature is perfect for ride-share drivers or anyone wanting comprehensive coverage of their driving environment. Safety is a priority with the Cobra South Carolina 400. It provides heads-up navigation, displaying upcoming turns on screen so you never miss a beat. Plus, exclusive live police alerts keep you informed of radar speed zones and speed cameras, helping you drive more cautiously. Finally, setting up the South Carolina 400 is a breeze. It comes with a 32GB micro SD card, a quick-release magnetic mount, and a vehicle power adapter. Just mount it, power it up, and you're good to go. The automatic recording and shutdown features make it truly set and forget. So, there you have it. The Cobra South Carolina 400 4K Dash Cam combines top-notch video quality with smart features like Alexa, multi-view capabilities, and live alerts. It's easy to install and use, making it a fantastic addition to any vehicle. Number 1. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam isn't just about recording your drives. It's packed with features that enhance your safety and convenience on the road. Let's check it out. First up, let's talk about the rear camera. Included in this bundle, the rear camera records in 1080p, giving you comprehensive coverage of your vehicle from multiple angles. This means enhanced overall security, as you capture both the front and rear views, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. The main attraction is the 4K Ultra HD recording capability. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts captures every moment in stunning 4K quality. This high resolution ensures that even the smallest details are recorded with precision, providing clear evidence if you ever need it. One of my favorite features is the advanced image stabilization. This tech minimizes the impact of vibrations and road bumps, ensuring that your footage remains clear and steady. No more shaky shaky videos, just smooth, crisp recordings every time. Transferring your footage is a breeze with the dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This allows for ultra-fast transfer speeds, so you can quickly and efficiently download your videos to your phone. Sharing and reviewing your footage has never been easier. Driving in foggy conditions? No problem. The defogging feature enhances clarity, ensuring that your recordings remain useful even when visibility is poor. This is vital for identifying crucial details, keeping you safe in all weather conditions. So there you have it. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts 4K dash cam is a powerhouse of features designed to keep you safe and secure on the road. From Ultra HD recording to advanced image stabilization, it's the ultimate dash cam for any driver. Remember, these are just a few of the many 4K dash cams on the market. Think about what features are important to you, such as video quality, night vision, and parking mode. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, we've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.